Welcome to this fantastic opportunity in the heart of Happy Valley. Ideally situated in a quiet cul-de-sac on 1.5 acres, you'll find this spacious home of more than 3,400 square feet. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is thoughtfully designed with large windows for abundant natural light, French doors, fine finishes including slab granite, and an amazing bonus room. You can entertain on the large deck, and you'll find plenty of space to park your RV. It's in a great, established neighborhood just across the street from the 2014 Street of Dreams. It's also conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, top-rated schools, and the popular Happy Valley Park. The park, featuring 24 acres of wetlands, has a paved pathway, perfect for walking or jogging, and offers an abundance of activities. You'll find multiple sports courts, a skate park, a kids' splash pad, picnic areas, and off-leash dog areas. You'll also enjoy a series of concerts during the summer. Located in a quiet neighborhood of beautiful homes, it offers plenty of room to garden, play, and entertain. It's all here on Carmichael Court, and it's ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Mindy Goody with Premier Property Group at 503-830-8267.